Let's talk a little bit about professional installation, the reason for that versus doing it yourself or subcontractors. Dealing with a professional company, first and foremost, you deal with professionals that know the industry. They know the products. They know the building codes. If you do this yourself and you buy windows or doors and you put them in a situation where you've got the wrong glass and you don't put in tempered glass, that's a safety violation. Dangerous, and there could be some liability with that. If you don't know all of the products to choose from, how do you know that you're choosing the right one for your house? So again, professional installation is the absolute way to go. Let me tell you a story. Happened to me 25 years ago. I had an appointment at a customer's house. It said for 6 windows. And I got there and I met with the gentleman and told him all the pros and cons of what we do. We got towards the end and he said, okay, I'd like you to price it for the 6 windows, but only charge me installation for 1 window. And I said, oh, why is that? He says, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna watch your guys install the first window and then I'm gonna install the other 5 myself to save me money. I wasn't very happy about it, but I agreed to his terms. So we came out and we installed the 1 window. About a month and a half later, I got a call from him saying, I need to buy a new window. And the moral of the story is, in trying to do it himself and save money, it actually ended up costing him more money because he had to buy one of his 5 windows he installed himself again, which cost more than it would have cost us to install the windows right the first time. Subcontractors versus in-house installers. When you hire a subcontractor, you have no idea what you're getting. You could be getting the best person in the world, or you could be getting not what you want. And that's a huge gamble. In my experience, subcontractors, something can always go wrong with a window or door installation. And this is not a great place for a homeowner to be. When you get finger pointing, the person that sold you the work and the person that installed the work, you're the one that ends up damaged. So it's really not a good idea. Go with a professional company, get the job done right the first time. So vinyl windows and vinyl doors. In order to get the maximum energy efficiency when you install your new windows and doors, you really need to use expandable foam to fill those voids between the old and the new frame. If you're doing this yourself, you go to Home Depot or Lowe's and you buy expandable foam. It says right on the front, expands for 8 hours. Do you have any idea what that does to vinyl? It makes it It can push your stucco off the outside of your house. It can blow your drywall out. We use expandable foam specifically made for vinyl windows and doors. Don't do it yourself.